Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the show where we take the guesswork out of buying stuff you actually need. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the Neugo Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-One. It's like a battle of the mops. One promises to deep clean your floors while the other claims to scrub away your worries. Let's see if they can scrub away my debt. Grab your popcorn, because we're about to compare these two cleaning machines in categories that matter. Let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk about the price. Neugo is coming in hot at $119. That's like the price of a fancy dinner, but instead you can have sparkling floors. Meanwhile, Shark is strutting in at $139. It's like the overpriced avocado toast of the mop world. But hey, that extra $20 might just be worth it if it means less scrubbing for you. So if you want to save those bucks for something more fun, like a new pair of shoes, Neugo might be your best bet. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. Neugo boasts a 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam that penetrates deep into surfaces. It's like a sauna for your floors. On the other hand, Shark claims it can perform over 150 scrubs per minute. Both mops are tough on grime, but if you want to feel like you're giving your floors a spa day, Neugo might be your go-to. Next up, versatility. Neugo transforms into a handheld steam cleaner with 10 accessories. You could clean everything from windows to the dog's favorite chew toy. Meanwhile, Shark keeps it simple with its built-in scrubbing pads. It's like, I do one thing and I do it well. But hey, if you want a mop that moonlights as a cleaning Swiss Army knife, Neugo's your girl. Now let's talk design and usability, because who wants to wrestle with a mop? Neugo has an adjustable height, so no more bending down like you're trying to pick up a penny. It's perfect for those who want to clean without feeling like they're auditioning for a yoga class. Shark, on the other hand, features LED headlights. Because if you're going to clean, you might as well shine a light on it. Literally. You can find all those dust bunnies hiding in the dark corners of your home. Both are user-friendly, but if you want to feel like a cleaning ninja, Shark's got the edge with those headlights. Overall, both products have received positive feedback from users. Neugo is praised for its lightweight design, versatility, and effectiveness in cleaning. Reviewers appreciate its value for money and ease of use. Shark, on the other hand, is lauded for its powerful scrubbing capabilities and sanitizing features, making it a favorite for deeper cleaning. Users enjoy its innovative design and the convenience it brings to their cleaning routines. However, some users have mentioned minor drawbacks in terms of maneuverability and the need for frequent pad replacements. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile cleaning powerhouse, Neugo is your best bet. But if you want a high-tech scrubbing experience with some serious stain-busting power, then Shark might just be your mop soulmate. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a chance to shop smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.